5.
Ladies and gentlemen,
4.
prepare for takeoff
3.
and get ready
2.
for the ride of a lifetime. It goes 0 to 60 in less than 6 seconds and climbs to 10,000 feet in less than 3 minutes. It can cruise at altitudes up to 43,100 feet. Its top speed is Mach 0.89, over 600 miles per hour. And it can travel over 20 hours and over 11,000 miles without refueling. This is the Emirates Boeing 777. In 1996, Emirates and Boeing partnered together to create what is now considered the world's most successful twin-engine long-haul airplane. In fact, the 777 was voted best aircraft by frequent business travelers in 2008 and 2009. With 78 of them already in our fleet and 28 more on the way, Emirates is now the world's largest operator of 777 airplanes. The reasons for this are simple. Technology, flexibility, service, fuel efficiency. In fact, in December of 2008, Emirates launched the longest green flight in the world aboard a Boeing 777. This long-range airliner takes flying to a new level of performance, just like the airline that flies it.